most occasions, we meet our friends, especially our old ones, in very joyous occasions. Fortunately, or unfortunately, I met Sherwin again after 18 years in sad circumstances. But your presence and, as you said, the little things, Vice Mayor, binigay mo, malaking-malaki yan para sa akin. To meet an old friend in such occasions, dapat malungkot. Pero dahil, Sherwin, remember the things we shared at in Congress? Sekreto ninyo. Huwag mong sabihin. Salamat sa pagpunta niyo dito. This is something that we will ask our people to remember. Sa panahon ng mahirap, yung mayroon tayong problema, pag yung mga tao magpunta sa atin without being asked, that is something that is worthwhile remembering. Masarap yung Valenzuela eh. Ano ba yung Valenzuela? V? Parang victory for Vice President. For Presidente ba? So, hindi ba sa inyo yung ano? Insular? Oh, Insular Hotel, paragi ka natutulog doon. I remember, libre mo ako. 3 days, it was December. Nadala mo ako ng bus. So, thank you again, people of Tao del Sur. You know already those who are helping us, and I like to assume will continue to help us when our need arises again. Thank you, Senador. Please extend my regards to your family. Vice Mayor, thank you. Congratulations unto your mayor. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.